In this tutorial, we will configure Crawler's MCP server inside GitHub Copilot in Visual Studio Code. First, open your browser and go to Crawleo Lab. Sign into your account or create a new one if you have not already. Once you are logged in, head over to Dashboard and click on API Keys. Now create a new API key by giving it a name. And copy this API key. Make sure to save it in somewhere safe. Now open VS Code, press Ctrl, Shift, and P together, write MCP, add server and select HTTP connection. Now write this URL here. Press Enter and now give it a name. Northlake Global. And when you see this dialog box, just click Cancel and press Escape to close this input box. Now write this one line of code here. And paste your API key here. Now open GitHub Copilot Chat with using Ctrl-Alt-D. Now let's search for GTA 6 release date. Use Crawleo MCP. And make sure to enable it from here by clicking it in this tool icon and select Crawleo MCP. Now let's search it. Click Allow. And here it is, Crawleo MCP working in your GitHub Copilot in VS Code.